In this video, we're going to take a look at mobile and desktop view. So when you are designing your email campaign, you can design it in both the mobile view for smaller screens or desktop view. And you'll see at the top here, we have a toggle to swap between them. So by default, this will be in desktop view, and this is how your campaign will look when you're designing and viewing on desktop. And we can switch to mobile view over here. Okay, we can see we've flipped over to mobile view, and this is how your campaign will look when viewed on a mobile phone. You can mouse over and interact with elements just like you would in desktop view. So if you want to change something, you can just click in and edit it as normal. In addition to that, you can add extra elements from the content menu as you would in the normal designer. So let's add a new heading. And perhaps this new heading we want only viewable on a mobile phone. So you'll see here you have the display on options. So by default, you can see desktop and mobile are both selected in the on state. This means that this content block will show for both desktop and mobile. If we wanted it to only show on mobile users, for example, we can deselect desktop. And now when we go into desktop view, you can see this block's now hidden. Alternatively, we can flip this round. Perhaps we don't want to show it for mobile phone users, and we see this is now hidden. Up here you will see the visibility eye section. If you mouse over it, you'll see that we now have one hidden element for mobile phone. If you click on it, this will show all our invisible elements, and you'll see we have our crosshatching over it, just to highlight this would be an invisible element in this display mode. Okay, that's a quick look at mobile and desktop view when it comes to designing your campaign.